Alright, hey guys, here we have a 50-inch Casablanca Panama 5 in polished brass with rosewood blades. Also includes the integrated K4 light kit and alabaster shades. Came with everything you see on it, minus the fifth blade. Usually when you think of 90s you think of polished brass, but with this fan it's just such a different ball game. It's a very, very beautiful fan. I think the alabaster really complements the rosewood nicely. Not sure if it's original or not, but I don't think it looks too bad on here. Could have been much worse. These blades are not like anything I've ever seen before. They're just so beautiful in their color, the grain. They're just really nice blades. It's sort of similar to walnut, but the grain pattern still is pretty different. Anyways, while we're on that note, let's go take a close-up of it because they are really nice blades. As you can see, it's hard to get a good view of them. They're I don't know if it's really showing up as much in the viewfinder, but they are really very red. Nothing like walnut. Alright. This fan is from 1994, if anyone's wondering. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and give it a demo. I'm not really sure what I like better on here, the 4 blades or the 5 blades. Really doesn't matter. I don't really care either way. But being that it has 5 beautiful blades, I think I would want to, show off as many as I can because they are really nice. If it was something a little bit more standard like white or oak, I'd probably go with 4, but I don't know. I don't care in that regard. There are still some collectors that say 4 blades, no matter what make, model, brand, or what have you, that's the way to go, but I really don't see it that way. I go by either my preference or what looks better on the fan. Alright, and let's go through general settings. Just getting it up to speed. Turn the light on just because. I have to keep it on low. Let's go speed 2. Man, I wish I had somewhere to install something like this. Nothing really would match my house. I don't have polished brass, anything close to those red blades, or anything alabaster. Go to speed 3. This is one of those fans I could see over like a kitchen table, or like how it was installed in a den or living room. This is a really beautiful install. It was mounted in the center of a living room. It was a really large living room, I should say. It was about 20 feet long. Personally, I would have gone with 2 fans just because then I would have ended up with 2 fans, but I'm fine with just a single one. Again, 2 would have been cooler. But anyways, enough of that. Let's go to speed 4. When I got all these fans, actually, they were all, because they are all a reflective finish, they're all very cloudy. They did sit in a construction zone, and presumably a foreclosed house, so they probably sat around collecting dust for a while. Alright, let's go speed 5. And speed 6. Let's do spin down. You can see it's really rustling some bags that are laying around. Or a bag, I should say. There was only one. Bearings in this were actually really good. It was one of the only fans that had good bearings. I probably still could stand it. Have a little oil. There was also another Panama in one of the bedrooms, because the guy was trying to tell me what kind of switch it took, which, I mean, I kind of knew, but I didn't want to sound like I knew what I was talking about, because you never know. But he thought it was a kind of cool system, because he couldn't figure out how to change the speeds, and, you know, I showed him, like, I think if you hold it down, it changes them, and he thought that was pretty cool. And really, it is a cool system, you know. You don't have to fumble, especially if they're on high ceilings. You don't have to fumble with pull chains or reversing it or what have you. You just do it all from ground level. Unless you have W11, then someone that doesn't really know too much about IntelliTouch is going to get a little confused, because, you know, there's light and then there's fan, but there's nothing else, which I actually prefer that style control better look-wise, but I think W32 is a little bit more practical, which I'm sure is why they added the reverse button. It's because people were getting too confused and annoyed that you couldn't reverse the fan, when really you could, and they just didn't know how to. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I won't mess with the bearings. It seems like they're in pretty good shape. Still going. And coming to a stop where we were before. Alright. Well, I'm going to change it to 5 blades, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, back again with 5 blades. And again, let's go through demo mode. And see if it's any different. I doubt it will be. Yeah, personally, I'm going to say 5 blades is probably looking a little better on here, just because you have even more beautiful wood. Yeah, I think back here it's showing up pretty nicely. I kind of improvised with the ball. It is your standard or extended length down rod ball, but I just stuck on a standard down rod because I don't have any handy. It doesn't wobble too badly. I'm sure it could be fixed, but I didn't really address that too much. Spent enough time on it as it is. And even that's really not too bad. Alright, let's go ahead and take it through its general settings. And speed 1. Let's go to speed 2. Yeah, I could really see this in like a dining room or like a formal living room. maybe more so like a dining room. I think a dining room with like more neutral colors would look nice. Alright, let's go to speed 3. The blades when I got them, they were actually reversed to the other side, which had faded quite a bit. And actually, once I started cleaning up the opposite side, which was covered in dust, I realized that they were in even better, better color. Speed 5. I mean, I kind of saw that when I removed the blade arm. I saw underneath that it was really faded. But yeah, all the coated dust actually came off pretty nicely with some furniture polish and car wax. And speed 6. I don't know what that was. Alright, let's go for spin down. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I am using Josh's, I don't know, patent pending flywheel ring to kind of help stabilize the fan. I don't know how much it helps. Preferably it'd be nice to actually get a ring for mounting hang shoe to an electrical box. So far I think the only person that has one is Cole. Others have improvised. You can use several different things. You can just use a flat piece of sheet metal, really. Yeah, I wish I had somewhere to hang this, because those blades are just so beautiful. Wonder. I mean, it's definitely Saturn replacement worthy. Maybe, I don't know. A Saturn really doesn't fit my parents' room too much. This wouldn't really either, but I think it would match a little better. Ideally, it'd be nice to get the Stealth back up there. I mean, I have it nice and fixed now. I just don't know if I really want to put it in there, because again, look at how beautiful this thing is. only thing that could really make it better is pointed tip blades. Ooh, or my K4T swirly arm light kit that I got on my Navajo Delta 2 about a year ago. That would look really nice on this, especially in a dining room. But I think the light kit shows almost fits it nicely. Glass is nice, blades are nice. I just can't stop staring at those blades. They're just so nice. Yeah, got a pretty good spin down. I think the bearings are in good shape. Just made a weird rustling sound when I was getting to high speed. Alright, there's a 50-inch Casablanca Panama 5 in polished brass. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.